Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we show you step by step how to apply for TFN tax file number in Australia. So friends, go to this government Australian and then go to tax file number section. From here you see this option apply for TFN. Just click this one, and after click this one guys, you see different TFN option. From here you can apply from your state, for example Australian citizens or Australian passport with this passport, and this is resident application. For example this one, just click this here, and then guys you see just click apply for home, and then click print or print the page. And if you want to make a edit as a PDF, click this one, and then you will see this form file PDF. This is the form, you can read all this information here. And then I will scroll down guys, I click from here apply this option. From apply guys you see this page, you should be logging your account, so make sure login an account and click star. From the star write all the passport travel document, country here, for example your country you visited Australia before. If you want to visit, if you visited, click yes. Write personal information details, your birthday, your if you have other names, your given names, other given names. Write all this detail, gender guys, if you male or panel, and click next, submit. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.